Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to jumpstart Audi Q7 full guide. Begin by preparing the scene. Park on level ground, set parking brakes, and turn off every electrical load. Open the hood and locate the battery and jump terminals on the Audi Q7. Inspect cables for corrosion and damage, and put on gloves and safety glasses before touching the battery terminals. Keep children and pets away while you work. Place the donor vehicle nose-to-nose or side-by-side so cables reach safely without stretching. Connect the red positive clamp to the donor battery positive terminal first, then to the Q7 positive jump point or terminal. Next, attach the black clamp to the donor negative terminal, and finally connect the other black clamp to a solid metal ground on the Q7 away from the battery. Double-check clamps are secure before starting the donor engine. Enjoying the guide so far? Please subscribe and like if you find this helpful. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: grab a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth for clear, calm money advice that pairs nicely with avoiding emergency expenses like a dead battery. I find it practical and reassuring when planning car care budgets. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start the donor car and let it run for 3 to 5 minutes to transfer charge to the Q7 battery. Try starting the Audi Q7 while the donor engine keeps a steady idle RPM. If the Q7 starts, allow it to run for several minutes to recharge the battery further. If it does not start after a few attempts, stop and reevaluate connections or consider battery replacement or professional assistance to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.